Oh, we got a fight going on over here. We got a little tussle. You're tuned in to Donk Planet Live behind the scenes. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe and be a part of the team, you hear me?
If you in a 7-1, boy, make that bitch run. If you in a 7-2, make it do what it do. If you in a 7-3, see it slide like a G.
What's good, fam? Another day, another video. What's going on? What's going on, fam? You hear me? Another day above ground equals a beautiful day, like I always say, you hear me? So if it's a beautiful day, why not go out and chase your goals? Why not go out and chase your dreams? Why not go out and work on yourself? You understand me? Just trying to motivate y'all, fam, because y'all motivate me. Shout out to all y'all that's tuned in right now. I hope everybody is having a productive day, you hear me? Y'all see me with the hoodie on today, man. Hey, it's cold down here, Miami, Florida. Cold. Woke up this morning, temperatures was in the 50s, you hear me? It was in the 50s, you hear me? Crazy. Right now it's currently, you know, the sun is out, so right now it's currently 63. It's still cold to me though, you feel me? All that 60s and 50s and all that, I can't deal with that, man. I'm a 70s and up type of guy, you hear me? Miami, Florida, man, we 70s and up weather type of people, you understand me? But yeah, man, so that's why I got the hoodie on, man. Y'all see it. Matter of fact, this hoodie is available on donkplanet.com, you hear me? Y'all see it. It's a Donk 1971 through 76 Chevy Caprice Impala. Then they got the fronts of the cars on there. Feel me? Foy! You understand me? But yeah, man, shout out to y'all that's tuned in today. If you're new to the channel, make sure you watch the full video. If you like what you see, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Click that notification bell, select all, you hear me? So you can get updated. You can get the updates when we do post content, because we do post content daily, and you definitely don't want to miss the content that we post, because the contents we post be fire, you hear me? The content be fire, you hear me? But yeah, also you don't want to miss the content because we are doing a Donk giveaway. We're giving away a 1973 two-door hardtop, you understand me? Y'all can go check out a video of it. It look real good, real solid car. Y'all go check it out. Today we down south, home base, Sudi. You hear me? That's where we at with it today. And basically we came first. We had the booth with it because we gotta get painted alert. You hear me? We gotta get painted alert. And actually the car got painted already. I missed the part where it was getting painted. But we here now. It's been painted already. It's in a booth. You hear me? Let's check it out. Jimmy, you park in the middle of the road, man. So here, go right here, fam. There you go right here, fam. That thing moving. Yeah, you hear me? Sell trade vert. About to see it in the sunlight. Y'all see it, selling straight vert. Yak, hear me? Y'all drop them comments. Oh, we got a fight going on over here. We got a little tussle going on over here with these chickens. Them boys was scrapping a minute ago. And they ain't fighting no more now that I got them. Trying to get the footage of them fighting. You feel me? They ain't fighting no more. I guess they were fighting over some food or something. But y'all see what's going on, fam. Century for Muya. You hear me? Drop them comments, let me know what y'all think. I ain't gonna lie, in person, it's like a bright ass red. They kind of resemble a little orange a little bit. And trade fruit. Y'all drop them comments, fam. Let me know what y'all think. What you think, Jeff? What you think? What'd you say, D? He feeling it, Jeff feeling it. They feeling it. That thing glowing. It kind of give me a little feel of orange a little bit.
Yeah, but then with red in it too.
Yeah, with red in it too, yeah.
You put a little something in there, man.
Yeah, what I'm looking at.
That's what I'm saying. That's why I told you change the color.
Yeah, it's not.
This shit for him. That's why I look like that.
Yeah,
You don't know what color.
it's not a regular red.
No.
At first when it was coming out, I thought it was orange.
Yeah. Yeah, he did some. He did that bitch up.
Yeah. Man, y'all drop them comments. Let me know what y'all think, man. 7 Trey Vert Mouya. You hear me? It's candy red, but then they look orange at the same time. It got an orange effect to it. You hear me? That Sooty mixture, you hear me? That Sooty recipe, you hear me? Y'all drop them comments. Let me know what y'all think. What kind of wheels would you put on here? What color wheels would you put on here? Would you put some chrome wheels, brush wheels, gold wheels, rose gold wheels? What kind of wheels would you think would go good on here? If this was your car, what color wheels would you put on here, man? These days, man, they got so much color wheels, it's ridiculous. You hear me? They got different shades of rose gold. They even got different shades of gold, you hear me? Yes, sir. I ain't gonna lie though, man, this paint, and I don't know if the camera doing it justice, but in person, this thing is glowing. This thing is glowing. What Sooty say? Glow stick, baby. Glow stick, what y'all think, fam? Think that thing looking good. Thing looking mighty good right now. Still Trey Vert coming soon. I can't wait to see the wheel selection. Y'all drop them comments. Let me know what kind of wheels would you put on here. But I can't wait to see what kind of wheels they actually go with on here, man. You feel me? The right wheels gonna set them up all the way off. You understand me? For real, man. Don't check this baby out, man. Yes, sir. Mouya, sir. Mouya, sir. But yeah, fam, y'all see what's going on, man. That thing Mouya, you hear me? But I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. It's cold out here, so I'm about to get out of this weather, you hear me? It's cold out here. If you speak Spanish, it's frio out here. If you speak Creole, li fait fret out here, you hear me? Anyway, man, y'all drop them comments. That thing looking mighty good. Drop them comments. We on our way back to the shop, you hear me? Let's go. Fam, I'm just getting out the car. We just got back to the shop. I'm just getting out the car. Had to sit in the car about 30 minutes, man. It's so cold out here, man. It's like 62 degrees right now. It's cold out here, man. But we just pulled up, though. We at the shop now. Guess who we got here today? Guess who we got here today? Main man. Dean Champ, you hear me? Dean Champ, man. Dean Champ, mobile dent repair. Take them dents out them cars, you hear me? Dean Champ, man, if you need dents removed, holla at my man. Holla at Dean Champ, man. Painless solution. 305-321-6174. Mobile dent repair, you hear me? My man gets it in. Dean Champ over here working on the box Chevy.
That's two of them, I'm small and big one. If it had enough clear, they could plug that clear down. If they had enough clear.
Oh, yes, sir.
Or they could sand it, re-clear it.
That's exactly what Tony said.
Yeah.
That's exactly what Tony said. The bottom work should be complete then.
Yeah.
And that's what I done. That's what I did.
It's a cold day, man. I had to go find some place to stand directly in the sun, you hear me? But get what though, man? The show must go on, you hear me? We about to unbox some new parts for the Donk, you hear me? That's right, we about to unbox some new parts for the Donk, you hear me? Love getting car parts, especially if they Donk parts, you understand me? Let's see what we got today, man. Let's see what we got today. Now before I show y'all what we got, y'all already know, man, when it comes to putting these cars together or putting these Donks together, it could be a pain, you hear me? So you want it to be a painless process, you hear me? So now I'm gonna be honest with y'all, right? When I first dropped my photo, I did a lot to that car. And one thing I didn't do was I didn't get the car rewired. And by the grace of God, nothing has happened. You understand what I'm saying? No fires or anything of that sort. But at the same time too, the car is 40 to 50 years old. You understand me? So I want to get the car rewired, you hear me? So I guess y'all can guess what we got in the what we got in the back, what we got in the box. You hear me? So I got to get the photo rewired, and I got the wire for the vert, you hear me? So basically, it could be a pain, but you want the process to be painless, you hear me? You want the rewiring process to be painless with these cars. How do you make it painless, you ask? Here's the answer. With painless wires, man. Painless performance products, you hear me? Painless performance products. That's how you make the wiring process painless. You hear me? Shout out to Painless Performance Products, man. Let's see what we got in here. We got the, hold on, the box say, we got the 25 circuit Pro Series GM keyed column grommet firewall. You hear me? That's what we got here. We got the Pro Series 25 circuits Pro Series from Painless Performance Products. Let's see what we got in the box, man. Let's see what we got in here. You hear me? The Armadillo, the Donk Planet Photo. About to get that painless wiring, man. That painless wiring. You hear me? The Pro Series at that. Well, I ain't gonna lie, man. This box is packed. I ain't gonna lie. My wire guy, AJ. My wire guy, AJ, man, you gonna have your hands filled with this one. I mean, I know he an expert and all, but it's a lot. Look at this. It's a lot in here, man. I don't even want to pull everything out the box. Painless wires, man. Fam, if you're putting together these old school cars, these Donks, all the old school cars, it's best to get it rewired. Definitely best to get it rewired. You know what I'm saying? Save you hassle of catching, you know, a fire from wire, faulty wires. Sometimes your you know, the old wires, sometimes you're like, you know what I'm saying? Like one issue I was having with my Donk is the brake lights. Like they come on when they feel like it, and that's due to old wires, you understand what I'm saying? So it's a 40-year-old car, you putting all that money into it, whatever old car you putting money into, it's an old car you putting money into it. Why not get it wired? And why not make the process painless with Painless Performance Products, you understand me? Definitely that Pro Series, you understand me? That Pro Series. And you feel me? Like I said, I got two of them, you understand me? I got one for the photo, and I got one for the convertible. I can't wait to get this car rewired, man. Shout out to my dog AJ. AJ gonna get it rewired for me. You understand me? Shout out to Painless Performance Products. I can't wait to put this baby on, man, see what it do, you hear me? You hear me? But then, folks, there you have it, Jimmy. That's what we got for y'all today, man. That's what we got for y'all today. Until next time, keep it locked right here. Don't Panic Live behind the scenes, you hear me?